Here are a few different ways to insert image in Photoshop. In first way, go to your Photoshop and click on File, click on Open, or you can just press Ctrl O. Then go ahead and select the image that you want to open, and your image successfully opened in Photoshop. And the second option is drag and drop to insert any image. To do that, open your File Explorer, navigate to the folder, and just drag the image to your Photoshop, and the image will open just like this. And the third way is Place Embed. Just go to File, and here click on Place Embedded. Then navigate to the folder, which folder contains your images, and select the image, click on Open, and the image successfully opened. Now you can resize the image, and this was the third way to insert image. And here's the next way to insert image. Go to the image that you want to insert to a document or project. Make sure to unlock the layer first of all and go to edit and just click on copy to copy the image. Then go to your target document and just press Ctrl V, and the image will paste, and then you can easily resize the image to work with. So that's how you can actually insert images in Photoshop.